name is Noir. I have a VR30 swap 370Z, which means I put a Q60 motor in my Z, and I'm having fuel issues. Not only with the wiring, I'm gonna go ahead and try and attempt to fix that, but also I went ahead and just put in the Hellcat, the 525 pump in, so that way we can have maximum fueling possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in and then catch up with you guys after, and we're gonna try and attack the relay also. Okay, so only for now, I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this bolted up right here. Today's goal is to try and figure out this wiring issue. It's been a headache, and it's been the only thing that's stopping me from actually getting progress. It just cranks and cranks and cranks, but it's not receiving any fuel. The fuel pump isn't priming, so that can only mean that this hunk of this beautiful rat's nest of wiring, something isn't right. And I have a feeling that I'm not understanding from Martin which is the signal lead for, which one's the signal for the fuel pump and why it's not priming, because realistically right now I'm going to spend, I don't know when this video is going to come out. I'm spending this time to try and figure out which wire is which and try and get it wired correctly. I don't know crap about wiring, but I learned today. Well, not learned, I'm learning starting today. Went ahead and did the fuel pump myself, so let's go ahead and try and see what's up. Well, here goes nothing. We gonna find out. Let's see. That was pretty much expected. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the relay kit on, how Manny had it, see if it was wired correctly, and if it's still not firing, then I'm gonna go ahead and change it up, because thankfully Dustin Williams did actually just put this kit on, so him and Tim kind of showed me how to do it the right way. I'm gonna double check to make sure it's wired correctly, and we're gonna give it a second go. I went ahead and flipped around the wires on the relays. Let's see. This is that moment of truth. Oh wait, well, before I do that, I gotta connect the negative. Don't think it's really gonna happen, I don't know, but it doesn't hurt to try and find out. So round two, let's see. Fist bump for good luck. Boom, fist bump for good luck. All right, round three. I do smell some fuel, so all right, let's see. Guys, I'm gonna have to pick this video up on another day, because at this point I need help. Like I'm not gonna be able to knock this out myself, so at least next time we'll be filming, we'll be getting some good help. Here we are, next day. This is day 2 of me almost hanging myself because I can't figure out this fuel system. So thankfully, I told you guys in the last video that I was gonna have to recruit some help, because I myself have no idea what the hell I'm doing, but we're gonna find out. So who came through is, this time in a different car. I'm gonna leave a clip of his Z, like just absolutely destroying in races. Yeah, you're laughing, but it's true, that thing is fast. So today he brought the daily to Q, and this thing is awesome, and we get to use it as a reference point. But let me show you guys the Z he has. Today we got Luis again. It's actually been a really long time since you've been in a vlog, bro. I'll leave his Insta. Is that okay? You want me to put your Instagram, or you want to be secret?
That's fine, that's fine.
Okay. Luis has actually already done this on his 370Z, which is gonna save me a lot. The only thing I'm scared of is finding the wire that makes the fuel pump work on the VR harness. Since it's more of like a standalone harness, we're gonna see, but Luis has his own little ghetto wiring diagram that he reads a lot better than I do. I believe in him. Guys, if it starts today, he's very positive it will. Hopefully it starts today. Please God, please start today. Right now, Luis is testing everything to make sure that it's actually getting power.
Making sure everything makes contact.
Okay, there we go. And I'm not expecting like a full-on start, just like I told him, because I don't even have the intakes on, because they don't fit properly. So that means and I only have one map sensor. The other one was broken. So there's still little things I gotta get picked up and cleaned up. But as long as the car is sputtering and just, you can tell that it's just the map sensors or whatever the case may be that's causing a rough idle, that's all I care about. I'm gonna go ahead and try and tune with Martin on the dyno so we can see what this thing actually makes, and we can go from there. It all starts with fuel. and Luis is saving my life right now.
Okay, this is the first time.
Hey, look, no, I'm putting you on the spot. He was telling me to do it again. No, we're gonna go at this full first try. Let's see if we get some power. All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Nothing.
Okay.
All right.
Oh.
Nothing, right? Yeah, because that's a pretty big pump, so it should whine pretty loud, right?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Like mine sounds really hard. Like.
Like, "Ooh." So we're taking out the pump. All right.
It doesn't hurt.
Okay. Well, I have actually an 8 in there. We're gonna pull out the fuel pump now. He's gonna check the wiring. You're gonna see my ghetto fuel pump job, and I'm gonna feel like, don't judge me, all right? Whatever, so we'll catch back up in a bit. Right now he's doing a process of elimination. He was explaining it to me that the relay itself for some reason isn't getting 12 volts. So he's just gonna go ahead and check the fuel pump itself to see if it's actually gonna power on and whine a little bit. That will, at least we'll have some security knowing that the fuel pump itself is okay. Yeah, works.
It works.
Look at that thing, bro. Who wants to do it? Look at that thing, dude. That's a supercharger, bro. Supercharged fuel pump.
So it works.
So we know the fuel pump is fine.
Now we can make the bridge, and that shit should start.
Okay.
That shit should like.
All
Yeah.
right. Dude, say less. Dude, look at these little ghetto things that you learn just to test power. Now I'm learning, dude. That's all it is. Learning experience. Look at this guy.
That little box.
Bro, this guy has like you're like Deadpool, bro. Like he has like a box of goodies, dude. Like, all right, I actually messed up on like, okay, all right.
Yeah.
For anybody, yeah, I know, I'm gonna roast myself, don't worry. Let me get the good lighting so I can roast myself in high quality.
Yeah.
So,
He's zip tie that.
don't tell him, I got, all right. So, I watched Enthusiast Point of View's video, and the thing is, that's a Q60 basket, and I was following the steps, step by step. I'm blaming Enthusiast Point of View. You know what? Let me do one better. Let me flame him right now, hold up. And you think I'm kidding, I'm literally gonna get him on FaceTime. I'm like, yo, your video sucks. Hello? Dude, I'm gonna put you on the vlog right now and I'm exposing you, okay?
On the vlog?
Yeah, right now. Are you on the toilet?
I am boxing eating chicken Alfredo. Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. Dude, I hope you know that's going in the video, dude.
I don't care, man. What's up, though?
Alright, I'm gonna FaceTime you right now, bro. You guys think I'm kidding. I literally am FaceTiming him. Look, see? Ooh, right there. First of all, what's up, Mrs. E1? Yeah, you're on the vlog, baby.
What's up, baby? What's going on?
Okay. So, I wanna say that I hate you, and
Why you hate me? I'm such a friendly dude.
You really are. But so remember your video of upgrading the fuel pump on the Q60, right?
The V2 version that I did with the wiring.
Yeah, so you want to know how stupid I am? No, you can curse, it's okay. So you want to know how stupid I am, dude?
What happened?
So remember that part where you have to cut the top of the fuel pump, the actual low pressure fuel pump?
Yeah, like the little, it's like about a 1/4 inch or so you gotta cut off.
Yeah, not on Z's, dude. I did it on the Z, and bro, and even the whole modifying the fuel basket is completely different. So when I looked at it, thankfully I have this guy. He's like a wizard. Yeah, dude. Yeah, don't cut your fuel pump on 370Zs like that.
Yeah, I bought a CJM fuel return system, so mine's going the whole drop in. It's going in the tank.
Yeah, that's how it goes. I put the Hellcat pump in mine, so it's a thick boy, you know. So I had to modify the basket a little bit, just cut it in half, and that was it. But I cut my fuel pump. So me cutting my fuel pump, let me show them and you. I left like a little
nipple.
It's like a
like
little
a tiny.
a tiny little nipple on there, and it barely grabs onto the fuel hose. So thanks, bro. I'm gonna downvote your video. It's getting a dislike. I appreciate it, dude.
Dang.
Nah, bro. I'll see you later, man. Thank you. But I will leave his information too in the description. He's a super nice dude, bro. He's gonna finish up that. So thankfully he has an extra fuel hose too. And Luis, again, see, it barely grabs. There's barely any space. There's barely anything for that hose to grab on. This is it.
This is a black one. Let me remove it from here, like until Mark configures this out.
Okay. So it's not even. So you think the relay is just bad, like in general?
No, because it doesn't have relay now.
Oh, it's straight to. So I wonder why it's not working then.
Here, you're gonna put the pump there, right, and seal it. So we're gonna make sure that from here it gets the power that it needs to turn on everything over here from the outside, right? So you know, like all these cables are supposed to be working fine before you put it inside. Because I can, you know, like it's easy, you know, you just put negative and positive and you put it here and it works. You have to make it work through here. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I get you. So, well, we'll be right back after these messages. Lewis had a theory that the fuel pump relay was damaged, and you want filming duties? You got this, bro? You got this? Let's film the fuel pump. So I have the wire. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it, and look at this. Fuel pump works, baby. Now the issue is I don't have a relay. So I have to wait until tomorrow, see if maybe a parts. I'm texting Martin right now to see if and by the way, thank you Martin, shout out to Rsenthalpy for helping me out, and Lewis, thank you guys, because honestly if it wasn't for Lewis right now and Martin, I would just, my relay issue, I'm gonna try and see if there's one at the parts store tomorrow, because it's like 12 o'clock at night right now. Or is it, or am I being dramatic?
11.
It's 11. I'm being dramatic. It's 11. So I'm gonna try and see if we can get a relay at like AutoZone or Discount Auto, and then slap that bad boy on there. Once I do that, dude, the fuel system is no issue. Can we get a ghetto start like this?
I don't know. Ask Martin.
I feel like we should just do it. Just like we should just.
Martin to see if we can get it.
Okay, all right, whatever. I see. This is what stops me from going balls deep, but I gotta be smart. Pump is back in.
We put the pump back. We found out that the relay is damaged, so we're just making a bridge.
Yep. So the bridge is there, and now we're gonna go ahead and just try and start the car. And
it's what time, bro? What time is?
It's like, look, I'm gonna say it's got to be like 11:30 at least now. Let me see. Here, I got my phone. Let's check.
What was the mission that it came?
11:27. I'm gonna prime it just to.
Yeah, turn on the pump. So
here we go, priming. Oh, okay, so we definitely have a fuel leak.
Oh, there was a fuel leak?
Oh my god. Yeah, so all right, if you guys can't tell, this is definitely fuel all over my car.
Geez.
So it leaked from the rear over here. It was from there.
Yeah. What is it?
So, what the f, dude, that's not even connected.
Oh,
my god.
that was Cheyenne.
Dude. Wow. So what the hell does that even go to?
Who was that?
That I don't remember, but I think it was Cheyenne. Bro, no wonder. But what does that go to? We definitely squirted fuel everywhere. Okay, one moment.
Boom, call 911.
If you hear a kaboom, this will be the last video you see from me, man. So we got Naked Manny on FaceTime, because I promised to. Look at this squinty eye guy. All right, it's Lewis, you got the honors. All right, I'm gonna do it again. I hope I don't get fuel on me again. Let me find the wire. Priming the fuel pump. Nope, still leaking.
Still leaking?
Yeah. Bro, I keep getting doused with fuel. Manny, what's going on? Why is this thing, is it not?
But I can't see you properly.
So I think we might have to come at this tomorrow, bro.
Oh, look, the pump.
Oh, to the
Jesus, bro.
the bottom. Oh, it's the one that goes to the chassis.
Yeah.
All right, Manny, Naked Manny, we're gonna have to call you back. All right, this time the fuel system is actually kind of on. We're gonna find out right now. So round 3, dude. Like,
all right.
Let's see if this actually does it.
This is 11:48. All right, the pump is working. You can hear it. Go.
Okay, so I took it off right now. You ready, dude? You ready? All right.
Let's hope this doesn't blow.
Do not tell me we just ran out of battery. Did it? I think we just ran out of battery, huh? Let me. Bro, if that is the problem, I'm gonna slap something.
This keeps getting better, right?
Bro.
Let's get the Mustang battery. Let's get it. Like.
Oh my god, dude, what? Really, bro? Oh, I tried to crank this car so many times that I literally killed the battery. Now we're on the day. I got COVID here. Didn't even change out my work shirt. I'm with Roger. We are in a couple of Mustangs. Today, we are finally gonna see if this thing will turn over and start at least, I'm not looking for it to have like a full idle and all that stuff. I just want it to kind of chug a lug and make it work. Yeah, then we'll work on making it actually idle on Saturday. So, Roger, I hope we don't make this car catch on fire.
For us.
You got film duty, dog. All right, you ready, bro?
All right, let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Bro! Bro!
Oh, shit.
Bro! Bro! Look at my hand, bro! Oh, boy, we out here, baby! Oh, hug it out! Bro!
Yeah, dude.
Bro! Whoa! Out! Bro! 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 Where is your dad? Is he still here?
Shower.
Oh my God, he would be showering right now.
Clean.
Dude, can we do it again? I'm gonna do it again. One more time. Oh my Lord. Dude.
Oh, it sounds healthy.
Dude.
It sounds clean.
Dude. Dude. Bro. Bro.
You've been waiting a while, man.
Bro! Yeah, see? Finally, man. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna go cry in the shower. Thank you guys for being patient. I'm gonna get to yeah, see? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I love you guys. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Bro, finally.